Manual scrap cut helps streamline part removal and improve cutting safety. By allowing users full control of their scrap cut lines, they can be confident that floating material will be handled appropriately, minimizing the risk of collisions during the cutting process and avoiding disruption during unloading. This feature is especially effective when used alongside features like profile destruct and corner reliefs. But it also works as a standalone solution to enhance cutting reliability and simplify downstream handling. When scrap becomes a source of delays or complication, manual scrap cut steps in to reduce hangups, support automation, and keep operations running smoothly.